Today we're going to have a look at a tankless water heater that I just had installed here in my one-bedroom unit at Bayborough Tower. So you can see there's kind of this round circle in the closet here. That's where my old so-called lowboy tank heater was, which it was small, but it still took up a lot of space that I could have been, storing junk in. And so here's the new unit, which just goes right on the wall. It has two electrical circuits coming out of it. This particular model is a Tempra Trend 15 made by Stiebel Eltron, which supposedly they invented tankless heaters. It's a German company. Anyway, the two-circuit model is nice if you happen to already have a circuit that matches from your old tank heater, which I did. So this one leg here is the same 10-gauge wire and 2x30 breaker that was on the tank heater. And I had to get an electrician to add another one, which unfortunately means there's a hole here now that needs to be fixed. And the breaker we have, I think this is the old one, and here's the new 2x30 breaker that was added. And so let's have a look at the thing in operation. Not that that's that exciting, but we'll turn on a tap here. Whoop, and the light comes on. Let's see, I'll turn it off. So if you get up a little closer, you can see it's just showing the temperature there. I haven't actually played with the knob. I don't know what it does. Okay, so let's try. This is a 75-degree day here in Tampa area, which considers itself South Florida, I guess. And so that's important with the tankless heater because your groundwater temperature determines how big a heater you need. And it's getting uncomfortably hot at this point. So that's with one tap. And then remember, you're sharing the stream that's going through the heater there. So as you open more taps, they're going to get a little cooler. So now that's warm, but not hot. Well, that's still kind of hot. Wait a second. Actually, that's pretty hot. Okay, so two streams, I would say between warm and hot. I don't know what you would call that. And then we can do, I only have one other sink here, so. And that's lukewarm now. Probably I would call that almost getting up to warm at this point. But, if it were a 30-degree day, which never really happens here, this could be a problem. And really, that's not, with 3 taps running, it's not hot. And the other question would be your electrical usage. So we have 100 amps at our main panel for each unit. So with the 3 taps running, both of the circuits in there will be on now. So the next thing that uses the most electricity is going to be the stove. So this is, it should not trip. That unit is 60 amps, but it's supposed to be rated very conservatively. And I've tried turning a bunch of other stuff on at the same time and have not had a problem. So I will post a link with more information here. I've got a Google Doc online, but the total cost was, you can see at the bottom here, was $18.50. And that's because if you don't already have the proper wiring and plumbing for a tankless heater, that's going to be a one-time cost to upgrade. The heater itself wasn't that much at $5.50. All right, thanks for watching.